Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting math problem. The problem is 16 divided 4 by 6 times 6. Then what is the answer? I am going to solve now. First of all, rewrite that question. 16 divide 4 divided 6 times 6. Here 6 cancel out, only remain 16 divide 4, and 16 divide 4, we know that is 4, so answer is 4. But this is not the right procedure, so answer is totally wrong. Now I am going to solve this math in a appropriate way. 16 divide 4 divide 6 times 6. For division and multiplication, we should do first which comes first. Okay, there division comes first, that's why we should do that term first. Here we will apply the term KCF. What does it means? K means keep the first fraction same, so we should keep the first fraction same, 16. C means change division into multiplication. So division into multiplication. And F means flip the second fraction. So second fraction is 4 by 6. So the flip will be 6 by 4 into 6. So 16 divide 4. 16 divide 4. That means here remain 4. 4 times 6 times 6. So here 4 times 6 times 6, that means 36. So 144, and this is our desired answer.